Problem number 2, Wilson Real Estate Agency, October 1st. Shareholders invested $30,000 in the corporation. So I start off October 1st. The corporation issued shares for cash. So debit cash and credit common stock. So you see many of these transactions repeat themselves. And in this case, the investment was $30,000. All right, number 2, I hire an administrative assistant, October 2nd. Oh, wait a minute, I just hired the assistant. The assistant hasn't worked. It's going to get an annual salary of $36,000, but they haven't worked, so this is no transaction. There's been no exchange here. No work has been done. October 3rd, and all I have to do now is just put 3. Buy office furniture. Okay, debit office furniture. And did I pay cash? No, on account. Credit accounts payable. I'm using short form. You're not supposed to, but anyway. 3,800. 3,800. Now, on the 6th, I sell a house, and I earn commission on that. Now, I have not been paid that $10,008, but I've earned the revenue. I sold the house. So I've earned revenue, and the revenue is owed to me. So therefore, I have an accounts receivable and a service revenue. And that is $10,800. And credit $10,800. Service revenue goes up. You always credit revenue. On the 10th, I received $140 for providing some services. I showed somebody an apartment. And therefore, I earned revenue again, and this time I got cash. So debit cash, close to the line. Credit, service revenue, you indent. Okay? Remember that. Just makes it nice and easy to read all the time. Anybody who knows accounting can read debit, credit, you know. And you always skip a line between each transaction just so it's not all jammed up. And then I paid $700 on the office account. On the 27th, I paid down $700. Remember I bought it on accounts payable up here? So accounts payable goes down. And when accounts payable goes down, that's a debit. And that is a debit of $700, and I paid with cash, and my cash goes down, so it's credit $700. And lastly, I paid that person I hired October 2nd. I paid them because they worked the month, and so that's going to be, we call it salaries expense. Okay, and I paid them cash. So therefore, what we have is $3,000 debit and $3,000. And those are the journal entries for Wilson Real Estate.